How to unlock Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlock Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Sweatcoin. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, what you can then do is head over to your social that is on the bottom right option. Tap on social. After you tap on social, you'll see different tabs right here, such as challenges, clubs, and friends. You will need to head over to friends. After you're on your friends, scroll down all the way. Now, before I tell you guys what to do next, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So, let's continue. After you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to copy this share link option for your uh, you know, Sweatcoin. After you've copied the link, this is the referral link. Simply share it. After you share it, make sure that 20 people are, referred and they join Sweatcoin. After 20 people join via your link, you will automatically be considered an influencer. So you'll get an option to become an influencer right here on your homepage, and your interface will change as well. After your interface changes, after 20 people are referred, you will get new features as well. And that's how you unlock Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.